The insurance landscape is undergoing a fascinating transformation with InsurTech solutions and all that revolutionizing the industry. Now, this, as much as it's challenging, but this presents traditional companies with a lot of unique, opportunity to adapt and innovate, right? So I'd like to get your thoughts here. What are some exciting ways you see established insurance companies, including your own company, embracing this change to improve their customer experience and stay competitive in the face of competition from the likes of InsurTech companies?
So actually, InsurTech companies are assisting the insurance companies. Okay. Because at the end of the day, the product is still from the insurance companies. The InsurTech companies might be assisting them because they do manufacture products. Okay, they help in maybe distributing some of the products. Facilitating. So at the end of the day, whatever you call themselves, the product is still coming from these insurance companies. Okay, so in that way, InsurTech companies are actually collaborating with the insurance companies. One of the reasons is because they have got themselves in the digital space where the insurance company has legacy issues, and difficult for them to go into that space. So well, these guys, no legacy issue, they find a small gap there, and they say, okay, let's now work with the insurance company and we provide that space. Should have been maybe the insurance company doing it, but because they couldn't, so these guys couldn't do. But end of the day, I think they're all working together to see that the most important thing is more and more people have insurance. What we call penetration rate. The more people have insurance, I think from a macro perspective, everybody should be happy. But coming back to your point, I think what the insurance companies' biggest issue is because of legacy system. Because they've been for so many years, their cost system outdated. That's why they can't move as quick as possible. So I think that's the space that is going to move as far as the insurance companies are concerned, because they realize younger people think differently. Younger people need a different sort of experience. Today, less and less people actually talk. Everybody's only on text. So and if they are more and more on text, then you must have a platform that can give you that space to transact with them or to communicate with them. So I think so. The way forward looks pretty exciting. To me, because like at the end of the day, is that we should reach out to as many people as possible, so they buy, they have a coverage or they have some protection. Now, what I see that is happening is the products are becoming and more innovative now, because a different segment of people, you can create products that will benefit them. Like for example, I give you a simple example is like if you take Grab today. You can insure yourself for the trip of 20 minutes or 30 minutes.
Exactly.
Okay. Okay. So I'm taking one ride from here to there. I pay 10 cents and 15 cents and I cover myself for a certain amount of money. Now that kind of product never existed before. Traditionally, the product is a 1-year product. Okay. So today it's a 1 ride product. So that's where the creativeness comes in, because that kind of things will help a certain segment of industry, which will be very targeted in terms of protection.